Hello everyone. In this session, I am going to discussing about some more examples in Hazy diagrams. Okay, so కొన్ని examples చూద్దాము Hazy diagrams లోని how to draw with the help of procedure. Okay, 5 steps ఉన్నాయి కదా, 5 steps బట్టి మనం ఎలా డ్రా చేయాలనేది చూద్దాం. See here, the question is draw the Hazy diagram. History means Hazy diagram for less than or equal to. Okay, what is the relation here? Less than or equal to. ఓకే వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఎలిమెంట్స్ అదే ఇన్ ద ఏ సెట్లో మనకి ఏంటంటే ఉన్నాయి ఆ ఎలిమెంట్స్ 0, 2, 5, 10, 11 and 15. ఓకే సో హియర్ వీ నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ ద రిలేషన్ ఆర్. See less than or equal to, condition less than or equal to. Check for the first element 0, 2, 0, 5, 0, 10, 0, 11 and 0, 15 and 2, 0, 2, 5, 2, 10, 2, 11, 2, 15. So ఏది less than ఏది less than కాదు. ఓకేనా? So see that 0 first element is less than or equal to, right? So 0, 0. 0 less than or equal to 0. 0 equal to 0, right? So 0, 0 itself is one element in this relation. See nana, ikkada based on the relation you have to find out the elements in that particular relation. So next 0 is less than or equal to 2. Yes, 0 is less than 2. So similarly all the elements we have 0 less than 5. So 0, 5 is another element and 0 less than 10. So 0, 10 is another element and 0, 11 is another element and 0, 15 is another element. Okay, and next check second one. 2 less than 0 is 2 less than 0. No, 2 is greater than 0, right? So 2, 0 is not an element. Next 2, 2. Yes, 2 less than or equal to 2. So 2, 2 will existing and 2, 5. 2 less than or equal to 5 and 2 less than 10. So 2 less than 2, 10 is another element and similarly 2, 11 and similarly 2, 15. Okay, and come to the third element, ma'am. 5, 0. 5, 0 is 5 is less than 0? No, 5 is greater than 0. So we should not write 5, 0. And similarly 5, 2 is 5 less than 2. 5 is greater than 2. So we should not write 5, 2. And next 5 itself 5. 5 less than or equal to 5. So 5, 5 is another element. Now 5, 10. 5 less than 10. So another element is 5, 10. Similarly 5, 11 and 5, 15. Okay. 5, 10, 5, 11, 5, 15. And next check the next element, 10 element. 10, 0, 10, 2, 10, 5, 10, 11, 10, 15. Right? 10 less than 0? No. 10 less than 2? No. 10 less than 5? No. And next 10, 10. 10 less than or equal to 10. And next one 10, 15, 10, 11, 10 less than or equal to 11 and next 10 less than 15. So this is another element. And come to the next element, that is 11. 11, 0, 11, 2, not possible. So directly 11, 11 and 11 less than 15. And finally 15 element. 15 is greatest among all the numbers, right? So 15, 0, 15, 2, 15, 5, 15, 10, 15, 11 is not possible. Similarly, same the last one 15 itself, 15, 15, that is 15 less than or equal to 15. So 15, 15 is another element of R. So these are the elements we have. Okay, now draw the Hazy diagram. So what is the first step you have to draw? What is the first step we have to follow? First draw the digraph. Okay, so see here how many elements are there? 0, 2, 5, 10, 11, 15. Just write down the elements ma first. What are the elements are there? 0, right? You see here 0. Okay, listen carefully everyone. 0 and next 2. Okay, and then elements are 5. Next 10 is there. Next 11 is there. Next 15 is there. Okay, or else you can draw 15 here. Okay, but here place is not sufficient, no, so I draw here. So every 0, 0 is existing, 2, 2 existing and 5, 5 is existing. Reflexive is existing ma, right? 10, 10 and 11, 11 is existing and 15, 15 existing. Yes, good here. Now what is the next step? 0, 2 is existing. Yes, 0, 2 is there. And next 0, 5 is there. Yes. And 0, 10 is there. Yes. And next 0, 11 is there. Yes. And 0, 15 is there. Okay, and next 2, 2 is already written. Next 2, 5. That means from 2 to 5 we have a connection. 2 to 5. Next 2 to 10. Yes, 2 to 10. Next 2 to 11, 2 to 11, and next 2 to 15, right. Next one 5 comma 5 is already written. Next 5 comma 10, 5 comma 10 means from 5 to 10, okay. And next 5 11 means 5 to 11. Next 5 15, 5 15 means you have to written like this, 5 15. Next 10 10 is already written, 10 11 we have to draw. And next 10 15, 10 15 means don't be confused, you have to draw carefully. 10 15 and 10 11 is done. Next 11 to 15, okay, and 15 15 is written. So this is the diagram we have. This is the first step, okay. And the second step, what we have to draw, we have to, in the second step we have to remove the reflexivity. That means we have to remove all the loops, ma. You see, after removing the loops we can't consider, we should not consider, ma. That means just remove 0 0, right. Remove 2 comma 2, remove 5 comma 5, remove 10 comma 10, okay. 5 comma 5 where it is, and 11 comma 11 and 15 comma 15, okay. Now we have the relation, this one clear. Just remove all the elements. After removing, what we get, 0 2 and 5 and 10 and 11, just draw here 15, okay. So after removing the loop, 0 to we have existing, 0 to 5 and 0 to 10 and 0 to 11, and next 0 to 15 is there, right, ma. And next 2 to 5 is existing, 2 to 11 is existing, and 2 to 11 is existing. Next 5 to 10 is there, 5 to 11 is there. Next 5 to 15 also there. Next 10 to 11 is there, and next 10 to 15 is there, and next 11 to 15, okay. This is the diagram we have. Now in the third step, what we have to do, we have to remove the transitivity, right. You see, ma, 0 comma 2 and 2 comma 10. So we 0 comma 2 belongs to R, right, and 2 comma 10 belongs to R. Many elements are existing, many transitive relations are there here. I will explain detail, okay, step by step. So just we have to remove 0 comma 10, okay. We can remove 0 comma 10. You see, in the next step what we have to do, we remove transitivity. So by 0 comma 2, take the first element 0 comma 2, right, ma. 0 comma 0, 2 comma 2, 5 comma 5, 10 comma 10, 11 comma 11, 15 comma 15 is removed, okay. Don't consider those elements, avi already remove chesesamu. Next 0 comma 2, now check the next element, 2 comma 5. You see here, 0 comma 2 which is belongs to R, okay. Now the next element is 2 comma 5. You see here 2 comma 2 already removed, okay. In this diagram we don't have 2 comma 2. 2 comma 5 is belongs to R, right. So just 0 comma 5 is belongs to R, that is transitivity. So from these two what we get, 0 comma 5 which is belongs to R. So we should remove 0 comma 5. Is just like in cross mark పెడుతున్నాను, means that means we have to remove that relation 0 comma 5. Likewise 0 comma 2, any other element, 2 comma 10, that means 0 comma 10 we have to remove, okay. And next 0 comma 2, check another element, that means here the second element is 2, ma. Any element starts with 2 and check chesukovali, right. So 0 comma 2 and 2 comma 11, that means 0 comma 2 belongs to R, 2 comma 11 is belongs to R, that means 0 comma 11 is belongs to R, 0 comma 11 is there, right. So you just remove this one. So up to here 0 comma 5 remove అయిపోయింది, 0 comma 10 remove అయిపోయింది, right. And 0 comma 11 also we have to remove, 0 comma 11 also we have to remove. And next 0 comma 2 is existing, and 2 comma 15 is existing. So 0 comma 2 belongs to R, 2 comma belongs to R. You see, 0 comma 2 belongs to R, right. 2 comma 15 which is belongs to R, just remove 0 comma 15, right. So 0 comma 15 also remove, 0 comma 15 also we should remove from this one, okay. సో అప్ టు హియర్ మనకి ఏ ట్రాన్సిటివిటీ, జీరోస్తో ఉన్నటువంటి అన్ని ఎడ్జెస్ని కూడా మనం రిమూవ్ చేసాం, రైట్. So here we have to remove 0 to 5, 0 to 10, 0 to 11, 0 to 15. First 0 తో ఉన్న రిలేషన్స్ అన్ని డిలీట్ చేసేసి డ్రా ద డయాగ్రామ్. ఓకే, బికాస్ ట్రాన్సిటివ్ రిలేషన్స్ ఆర్ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్, స్టిల్ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ ఇస్ దేర్. ఓకే, ఇంకా ఉన్నాయి, వీ హ్యావ్ టు రిమూవ్ ఇట్. ఫస్ట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ రాకుండా ఉండడం కోసం జస్ట్ డ్రా ద డయాగ్రామ్ ఆఫ్టర్ రిమూవింగ్ ద జీరో రిలేషన్స్. ఓకే, సో ఆఫ్టర్ రిమూవింగ్ జీరోతో ఉన్న రిలేషన్స్ రిమూవ్ చేసిన తర్వాత వీ గాట్ దిస్ డయాగ్రామ్. ఓకే, అగైన్ హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ దిస్ రిలేషన్స్ ఓన్లీ 0 to 25. సో 0 to 25 మీన్స్ 05 ఆల్రెడీ మనం రిమూవ్ చేసేసాం, రైట్? 0 to 2, 210 already remove. Now remove second element. Come to the second element 2, 5 ma. Okay, check here 2, 5 which is belongs to R. 2, 5 which is belongs to R. So here the second element is 5. So any element starts with 5. Yes, 5, 10 is there, 5, 11 is there, 5, 15 is there. Check everyone. 5, 10 belongs to R. Yes, 5, 10 is existing. So just so from these two we get 2, 10 belongs to R. Check 2, 10 is existing. Yes, 2, 10 is existing ma. That is transitive. So we have to remove 2, 10. Okay, and next 2, 5 is belongs to R and 5, 11 which is belongs to R. Okay, so just from these two what we get transitive, 2, 11 belongs to R. So we should remove 2, 11. We should remove 2, 11. So from this what we have to 2, 10 we have to remove, 2, 11 we have to remove. This is transitive relations. Next thing 2, 5 which is belongs to R and 5, 15 belongs to R. Okay, so from these two what we get 2, 15 belongs to R. That means we have to remove 2, 15 also. So we have to remove here, actually 2, 15 is there, right? 2, 15 also we have to remove, right? So after this what we will get ma? 0, right? 2, 5, 10, 11, we have to draw 15 here. Okay, right? 2, 5 is existing, 2, 10 is not existing, we have to remove it. So here we have to remove 210, 211, 215. Okay, only 25 maatrame we have to existing. Okay, here next 510 is there. Okay, and next 515 is there, and next 511 is there, and 1011 is there, 1015 is there, and 1115 is there. Okay ma, this is second, the third one, and this is fourth one. ఇంకా ట్రాన్సిటివ్ కంప్లీట్ కాలేదండి, వీ హ్యావ్ టు రిమూవ్ ట్రాన్సిటివ్. ఓకే, సో 0 to 5 and next one come to the next 5, 10. So these are all removed. Okay, these are all removed. So next come to the 5, 10. You see here 5, 10 which is belongs to R. Okay, so what is the second element here? 10. Any element starts with 10. Yes, 10, 11 is there, 10, 15 is there, right? So check for first one 10, 11 which is belongs to R. Yes, 10, 11 belongs to R. From these two what we get ma? 5, 11 belongs to R, right? So we should remove this relationship 5, 11. 5, 11 we have to remove it. Okay, that means you see this line we have to remove this line. Clear? And next one 5, 10 which is belongs to R and 10, 15 ma. 10, 15 belongs to R. So from these two what we have to write? 5, 15 belongs to R, right? So 5, 15 we have to remove it. So 5, 15 we have to remove. What is the relation? This line we have to remove it. And next I continue here 10, 11. Next element is 10, 11. 10, 11 which is belongs to R. Any other element? 10, 11 which is belongs to R. Okay, and 11, 15 which is belongs to R. Means 10, 15 we have to remove it. So from these two what is the transitive condition? 10, 15 belongs to R. We have to remove 10, 15. That means we have to remove this one also. Okay, e arrow mark ni kuda we have to delete it. Okay, so 10, 15 we have to remove it. So finally what are the elements we have ma? So finally what are the elements we have left out with? 0, 2, 2, 5, 5, 10, 10, 11, 11, 15. So these are the elements we have ma, right? 0, 2, 2, 5, 5, 10, 10, 11, 11, 15. Now draw the diagram. 0, 2, 2 we have, okay, 2 to 5 we have. Arrow marks should be upward direction only. 2 to 5 and 5 to 10. So 5 comma 10, 5 to 10 we have a relation, and next 10 to 11 and 11 to 15, right? So 0 less than 2, 2 less than 5, 5 less than 10, 10 less than 11, 11 less than 15, right? So after that, what is the last step? We have to remove arrow marks, okay, remove all arrow marks. So finally what we get? 0, that means like 0, 0 to 2, and from 2 to 5, okay, and 5 to we have a 10, and from 10 we have 11, and from 11 we have a 15, okay. Like this you have to draw Hasse diagram, okay. Simple. Follow the step by step procedure clearly so that you can easily get the Hasse diagram, right? Thank you so much. Keep watching. Do subscribe. And second thing, I will explain another example also for Hasse diagram. Okay, ma. Thank you so much. Keep watching.